The external CPA for a small business either handles the books or audits the books. In simple finance departments, they are more likely external to the company and help with tax services, payroll, and bookkeeping, and acts as the external auditor. The owner engages the external CPA often and is the primary contact, especially for final sign-off on tax reporting, etc. So the two scenarios that we have in this demonstration is one is the access to the accountant portal. The second is where you would go to invite an external accountant from your tenant. In terms of the accountant portal, if you are an accountant with several clients, you can use the accountant portal as your dashboard for a better overview of your clients. From there, you can access each client's tenant in Dynamics 365. And the accountant portal is a dedicated version of Dynamics 365. So here you see I'm in the accountant portal, and it's where I can manage all of my clients. Now, by selecting a client, it opens the customer in an embedded viewing experience. So for example, I'll click on Kronos USA, and you see that embedded experience. I've got an example of cash, all of my cash accounts, cash flow over the right-hand side. And if you want to drill into some of the details, such as the purchasing documents, you'll see that it expands all of my purchase documents. If I collapse that, I can also see my sales document. So just a quick, easy glimpse and a view and be able to drill down into your client. Now, you may have to also manage that client a little bit more than just read only. So if I come back into the Accountant Hub, essentially, with that client, Kronos US, highlighted, from the drop-down in Client Summary, you'll see I get a menu of options, but I'm going to go direct to the company. By selecting this navigation, it actually launches the customer's tenant and allows me direct access into that organization's accounting system. So once my security credentials have been authenticated, as the accountant, I'm able to access my client's management system. They can perform the tasks and the duties they need in order to assist their client. For example, you'll notice up in the top ribbon, I could take a look at their financial reports. And these are Excel-based refreshable reports. I'll click on Excel, maybe take a look at the aged AP report. And again, these are authenticated. It allows, based on my security, to view this, and also gives me the ability to analyze my business or their business accordingly. So the next scenario, as we segue in, is where a small, medium business wants to invite their external CPA. It's a free license. They get a single license to invite an external accountant to manage their books and the financial reporting through Dynamics 365. And there's no exchange of data. You simply send the invite, the accountant accepts, and then logs in as an external accountant role center. Let's take a look at that. So to invite an external accountant, up in the top right, you'll select on the search box, you'll type in users. I'll select users. Here you see a list of them, but in the ribbon, the icon that says invite external accountant. Now the terms will pop up. I need to read and accept. I'll select next. Enter in the email address, the username, the first name and last. We'll type that in. Let's select next. And now the invite has been sent to the external accountant. When I open up their email in my inbox, you'll see I get a form along with a link to accept the invitation. And once I do, it logs me in as the accountant role on that role-based homepage. And I could then perform the tasks and the duties associated with an external CPA. So again, we just saw two demonstrations. One is the access to the accountant portal, the second meaning the invite to an external CPA. The benefits of this demonstration is to show you how we can streamline communication between the two organizations and also improve the control of the data as well as business.